RAR is a specialized software tool designed to help users recover forgotten or lost passwords for encrypted RAR, Rochelle archive files. This program is especially useful for individuals who have secured their compressed files with a password but can no longer remember it, ensuring that important data within those files remains accessible. The software is user-friendly, featuring an intuitive interface that guides users through the password recovery process step by step. It supports all versions of RAR files, including those created by WinRAR, and employs advanced decryption technologies to maximize recovery success rates. Users can rely on its compatibility with multi-core processors to speed up the process significantly. PassFab for RAR offers 3 distinct attack methods to recover passwords: brute force with mask, and dictionary attack. The brute force method tries every possible combination of characters, while brute force with mask allows users to specify known details about the password, such as length or character types, to narrow down the search. The dictionary attack uses a preloaded or custom dictionary to test potential passwords quickly. One of the standout features of PassFab for RAR is its efficiency and flexibility. It enables users to pause and resume the recovery process at any time, ensuring that progress isn't lost due to interruptions. This feature is especially valuable when recovering complex or lengthy passwords that might take more time. Overall, PassFab for RAR is a robust and reliable tool for recovering RAR passwords, catering to a wide range of users, from professionals dealing with encrypted files to individuals managing personal archives. Its high recovery success rate, flexible options, and ease of use make it an essential utility for unlocking protected RAR archives.